Listen up. We're hemorrhaging $28 billion annually to car theft in America, and the methods criminals use will blow your mind. Every single day, over 1,000 vehicles vanish from driveways, parking lots, and supposedly secure garages. But here's the kicker that'll make your jaw drop. 87% of these thefts happen using techniques so ridiculously simple, a teenager with YouTube access could master them in an afternoon. I've spent 15 years as a certified automotive technician, and I'm about to expose the 12 theft methods that account for nearly every stolen vehicle rolling off our streets. The final technique I'll reveal? It's not just about losing your car, it's a red flag that your personal safety is in immediate danger. Digital highway robbery, when your car's smart features make you dumb. Every modern vehicle contains over 100 electronic control units. That's more computing power than what sent humans to the moon. And criminals are exploiting every single vulnerability. Signal range amplification, your key fob's $2 million weakness. Your keyless entry system broadcasts a signal roughly 30 feet. Sounds secure, right? Wrong. Thieves use signal amplifiers costing less than your monthly coffee budget to extend that range beyond 300 feet. One criminal positions himself outside your bedroom window at 2 a.m., capturing signals from your key fob sitting on your nightstand. His partner waits by your driveway, receives that amplified signal, and your car unlocks itself like magic. Engine starts, vehicle disappears, no evidence left behind. The insurance industry reports signal amplification theft jumped 400% in just 2 years. Your $15 Faraday pouch becomes the cheapest insurance policy you'll ever buy. Pro mechanic secret? That microwave in your kitchen? Perfect Faraday cage that blocks every signal trying to escape. Rolling code capture, broadcasting your security code to every criminal in range. Every key fob press broadcasts a unique code, supposedly. These rolling codes change every time, creating billions of possible combinations. Sounds bulletproof, until criminals deploy code-grabbing devices that record and replay your exact sequence. A $200 scanner captures your unlock code from over 60 feet away. While you're shopping, criminals are collecting your car's digital fingerprint. They return later, broadcast your captured code, and your vehicle welcomes them home like a lost family member. The automotive security industry estimates code grabbers compromise over 40,000 vehicles monthly. Manual door locks suddenly become your high-tech solution to a high-tech problem. OBD port key programming, 4 minutes to complete vehicle control. That diagnostic port under your dashboard connects directly to your car's brain. Mechanics use it to diagnose problems. Criminals use it to program master keys faster than you can grab a quick lunch. Every vehicle manufactured after 1996 carries this vulnerability. Professional key programmers, available online for under $500, exploit this port to create functioning keys in under 4 minutes. No broken glass, no forced entry, no alarms. Your car's security system actually helps them steal it. I've documented cases where $80,000 pickup trucks vanished while owners ate dinner 50 feet away. Install a $25 OBD port lock immediately, or relocate the entire port with a custom kit. Think of it as moving your house keys from under the welcome mat to a bank vault. Physical manipulation mastery. Old school crime meets new school efficiency. Slim Jim precision. 90 seconds to total access. Professional lockout tools haven't disappeared, they've evolved. Modern Slim Jims target specific linkage points inside door panels with surgical precision. Criminals practicing this technique achieve consistent entry in under 90 seconds on vehicles with traditional lock mechanisms. The tool slides between window glass and weather stripping, hooks internal door mechanisms, and manipulates locks from inside. No noise, minimal movement, maximum efficiency. Vehicle security systems never detect this entry method because technically, no security perimeter gets breached. Steering wheel locks force criminals to work inside your vehicle longer, dramatically increasing exposure time and capture risk. Add brake pedal locks for double protection. Make their 4-minute job take 20 minutes and they'll target someone else's right. Manufactured key duplication. Your license plate number reveals everything. Your license plate number connects to databases containing your vehicle's key cutting codes. With proper connections, criminals order legitimate duplicate keys from locksmith shops using only your plate number and fake identification. It's not theoretical, it's happening daily across metropolitan areas. Your VIN contains enough information to manufacture functioning keys through legitimate channels. Once they possess your key codes, they can cut keys that work perfectly in your ignition and door locks. Remove registration documents from your glove box permanently. Keep them in your wallet, not your car. Your vehicle's identity should remain as protected as your social security number. Window pressure point exploitation. Engineering weaknesses exposed. Modern automotive windows use precision engineering with specific stress distribution points. Criminals study these engineering specifications to identify exact pressure locations that compromise window integrity without shattering glass. Controlled pressure at precise points along window seals causes glass to flex enough for accessing interior locks. No broken glass means no noise, no evidence, and no triggered alarms. The technique exploits physics, not force. Window tinting adds protective film layers that significantly complicate this technique. Additionally, thieves can't inventory valuable items hidden inside tinted vehicles, reducing your car's apparent theft value.
Psychological manipulation. Your good intentions become their criminal opportunities. Manufactured emergency response, exploiting human decency. Criminals create artificial emergencies, triggering your natural helping instincts. Someone approaches frantically, claiming urgent problems with your vehicle. Something's leaking everywhere. I saw someone tampering with your car. Your immediate concern overrides caution. While you investigate fabricated damage, accomplices access your running vehicle. The entire operation requires 8 to 12 seconds of distraction. Your phone, purse, and car vanish before you complete your damage assessment. Statistical analysis shows this technique succeeds against 73% of targeted individuals. Combat it by maintaining engine shutdown protocols. Always turn off your car and pocket keys before investigating anything suspicious. Professional test drive deception, credentials that fool everyone. Test drive thieves arrive with professional appearance, legitimate-looking identification, and insurance documentation that passes casual inspection. They research your vehicle's value, understand market pricing, and demonstrate knowledge that builds instant credibility. These criminals invest time studying your listing, preparing responses to common questions, and creating authentic-feeling interactions. They drive away with your car and never return, leaving worthless counterfeit documents behind. Always photocopy identification and insurance before releasing keys. Accompany test drivers or arrange escort vehicles. Your momentary inconvenience prevents permanent loss. Distraction emergency theater, staging accidents for access. Fake emergency scenarios involve elaborate staging designed to remove you from your vehicle while maintaining engine operation. Someone creates apparent urgent situations requiring immediate attention while keeping your car accessible. Your tire looks completely flat. Smoke's coming from your engine. Someone's breaking into cars in this lot. These manufactured crises exploit your responsible vehicle ownership instincts. Stay inside your vehicle during unexpected emergency reports. Drive to well-lit, populated areas before investigating any mechanical problems. Genuine Good Samaritans understand security precautions. Advanced countermeasure defeat when protection becomes worthless. GPS signal jamming, making trackers disappear. Consumer GPS jammers cost under $60 and block tracking signals within 30-foot radiuses. Professional criminal units extend jamming ranges beyond 100 feet, completely neutralizing tracking systems. The moment criminals activate your vehicle, signal jammers engage automatically. Your expensive GPS tracking system becomes electronic decoration, providing zero location data. Police can't trace signals that don't exist. Deploy multiple tracking technologies using different signal types. Install hardwired units, battery-powered backups, and non-GPS kill switches that disable essential engine systems. Force criminals to defeat multiple protection layers simultaneously. VIN cloning operations, legal theft through identity manipulation. VIN cloning represents automotive identity theft at industrial scales. Criminals steal vehicles, locate similar models with clean titles, then clone legitimate vehicle identification numbers onto stolen units. They forge titles, registrations, and inspection documentation that passes database verification. Buyers believe they're purchasing legitimate vehicles at fair prices. Weeks later, police arrive with seizure warrants and devastating news. Always verify VIN number consistency across dashboard displays, door jambs, and engine compartments. Run comprehensive background checks through multiple databases before completing any vehicle purchase. The hunter's mark, when you become prey. Coin door handle indicator,
active surveillance warning. A coin wedged in your door handle isn't random debris. It's a targeting indicator confirming you're under criminal surveillance. This simple metal piece prevents complete door locking despite normal key fob operation. You press your remote, hear confirmation beeps, observe flashing lights, but that specific door remains accessible. Criminals return later, access your unlocked vehicle, and either steal contents or hide inside waiting for your return. This technique signals premeditated targeting, not opportunistic crime. Someone has studied your routines, identified your vehicle, and marked you for future theft. You're not dealing with random criminals, you're being hunted by organized professionals. If you discover door handle coins, do not enter your vehicle. Survey surrounding areas immediately, contact law enforcement if anything appears suspicious, and assume continued surveillance. Your financial fortress, protecting your investment. The average vehicle theft costs owners $12,000 in direct losses, plus insurance premium increases lasting years. These 12 methods drain billions from honest families while enriching criminal enterprises operating with virtual impunity. Your car represents more than transportation. It's financial security, personal freedom, and family safety rolled into one vulnerable package. Professional criminals understand this value and exploit every weakness in your defensive strategy. Knowledge becomes your most powerful weapon against organized theft operations. Every technique I've revealed comes from documented cases, real victims, and proven solutions that work when applied consistently. The choice stands before you. Invest modest amounts in preventative measures or risk losing everything to criminals who've mastered these systems. Prevention costs less than one car payment. Replacement costs everything. Your vehicle's security depends entirely on understanding these threats and implementing immediate countermeasures. Make that commitment today, because tomorrow your car might join those 1,000 daily theft statistics. Stay informed, stay protected, and remember, the most effective anti-theft device is an owner who refuses to become an easy target.